Hello everyone, I am Chika Doris. I teach crypto from the scratch, life hacks, how to make money online, and also I recommend digital products. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're just seeing my video for the first time, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So let's dive in for the matter of today. Okay, in this video, I'll be teaching us how to interpret different signals, like future trade, spot trade, and DeFi trading. There are different signals how to interpret. Okay, first on my list is future trade. How do we interpret future trade? Whenever you see a trade and you see position, long, leverage, cross, isolated, um, stop loss, you should know that it is a future trade. Now let's interpret this trade. Okay, they said the coin they're talking about here is BTC USDT. Okay, BTC USDT. Now the position, they say we should long it. Now whenever you see anything long, short, you know it's a future trade. They're simply telling us in this trade signal to long this coin. That is to predict that this coin will move up. The price of this coin will move up. That the price of this coin will go up. So they say you should long this coin. Then leverage. We have two types of leverage. We have cross and isolated. In our next video, we'll make video for that. So how I will explain the different types of leverage, the two types of leverage. Now entries. These entries here simply means that you should enter this trade when the price is 42 500 to 41 700. That is, you should enter this trade when the price of this coin is between 42 500 and 41 700. Now the targets here simply explain. This target here means when you should take profits. Okay, now when you should take this profit is when the price is between 43 500. Remember the entry is 42 500 to 41 700. So when it gets to 43 500, that means you're simply making profits. Okay, so our profits should be, we should take profit. This is the first take profit, 43 500. When it gets to 44 500, you can take your profit. 45 500, 46 500, 47 500. Remember the position of this coin, they say we should long it. So you can see that in this signal, the price, the figures are increasing. So this target means when you should take profits. Now, this stop loss stop loss, SL means stop loss, which is 41,000. Remember, our entries is 42 500 to 41 700. So coming down to 41,000, that means you're in loss. It simply means stop loss. So you should set your stop loss at 41,000 so that when you're losing, you will not lose the whole of your money. When it gets to that figure, when it gets to that price, the trade will exceed, will leave the market for you. Okay, the trade will just leave the market, will close the market for you. That is that for this future trade. Now another signal in future trade we're going to look at is a SOL USDT. Now this is another future signal. Now they say the coin here is a SOL USDT and the signal type is sell or short. Like I told you, I say long means buy, while sell means short. So they are telling us to short this coin. This simply means that we should predict that this coin will go down, that the price of this coin will go down. So when you're entering this trade, you short it. You're simply predicting that the coin will go down. Now our entry target, which I told you that entry target is that the price at which you enter the trade, that the price of the coin at which you enter the trade. So they say this entry target now you should enter at a 49 to 919. You should enter this trade at that price. Now our profit target, when the price of the coin goes down to 91.918988, that's number one, take profit. Number two, take profit 90.969798. That's number two, take profit. Now our LSL here, which is stop loss. Okay, stop loss is 96. Remember, in this signal, they said we should short the coin. We should predict that the coin will go down. Okay, so from the figures, you're seeing that the coins is going down. When it goes down, you make your profits. And our SL stop loss is 96. Now, let's look at another future signal. This signal is saying all the USDT, the name of the coin is all the USDT, and they are telling us here to long it. We should long or buy. Like I said, long means buy, while short means sell. Now the entry, which is the price at which you enter the market, is 69.50 to 70.50. This is the price of the coin at which you enter this trade. Now our target that the take profit is 72, 74, 78, 84, and our SL here is 64. So whenever you see long, short, cross, isolated, stop loss, we should know that we are dealing with future trade signals. Okay, that will be all for the future trade signal. Now let's go into sports. Spot trade on centralized exchange. Now, I told in our last video that we can trade on spots on centralized exchange and decentralized exchange. Now, first of all, let me talk about the centralized exchange. Now, in this signal now, they said the name of the coin is MBOS/USDT. So they are telling us, they say MBOS we should buy. So in sports, we only buy. There's nothing like long, there's nothing like short. So we just buy and save it in our trust wallet, or you can save it in your Binance, that in your wallet, and when it appreciates, you can sell. So the name of this coin is MBOS/USDT. So they said we should buy it in a Binance, in our Binance centralized exchange, and we should buy at the rate of 0.3080, in between 0.3080 to 0.3130. That we should enter that trade. We should buy that coin when the rate is at that. Now our target, which is to take profit, should be 0.3220 to 0.3300, 0.3400 to 0.3500, and that's that, and etc. That one is that for sports trade, trading on centralized exchange. Now the next one, now they say you should buy Cello. Here they did not give us the entry price, that is the rate at which you buy it. Okay, the price. So they say buy Cello. So whenever you see such signal, you know it is a spot trade, trading on centralized exchange. They say we should buy Cello. And this is a contract address. Or some of the trade carries a contract address, and I taught us in our last video that we can get contract address from CoinGecko or CoinMarket app. That is where you research information about a particular coin. So in this signal, they say buy Cello, trading on what? Binance. So that means they are simply telling us to go to our Binance app and buy this coin. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the notification bell to be notified each time I post new videos. Thank you. Now, the next one is DeFi trade. Okay, that means decentralized. It's a spot trade that is trading on a decentralized exchange. And I told us the different centralized exchange are PancakeSwap, Uniswap, Bitcoin, and we can access this through trust wallets and the rest. Okay, so now whenever you see a trade signal like this, say buy SCBU. Okay, and DeFi trade always come with contract address, because it is a contract address that you paste on the browser in the trust wallet that you can use to access this coin. You can use to swap it. Okay, so they say buy STBU. This is the contract address, and they say trading on swap. Whenever you see PancakeSwap, Uniswap, Bitcoin, they're simply telling you that it is a DeFi trade. You go to your trust wallet and access it. So that is that. Another one for this same DeFi trade, they said buy Titans. Okay, this is the contract address for Titans, and they say trading on Uniswap. This is another type of DeFi trading. So this will be all for today on this video. Next video we'll be talking about how to trade on spot. Okay, how to impute all these figures. Whenever you see a trade signal, you interpret and you go and trade. So please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.